If the system indicates an alarm, you can click on the tab with the flashing triangle to see which alarms the system indicates. If the display or your machine indicates a calibration alarm, this means in most of the cases that the calibration gas bottle is empty and has to be replaced. You can select the notification of the calibration alarms and click on the check mark to let the system know you have seen the alarm. Check on the calibration gas bottle if the meter reads 0. This means that the calibration gas bottle is empty. To replace the bottle, you will only need an adjustable spanner and a screwdriver. We will now demonstrate how to replace the empty gas bottle. Close the empty bottle and grab the connection with the adjustable spanner and unconnect the reducer from the bottle. Check the certificate on the calibration gas bottle what the old values are, and check if the new bottle contains the same certificate and values as the old one. Check if the new bottle is sealed. In the most cases this has been done with a cable tie. Cut the cable tie and turn the safety cylinder off the new bottle. You can now connect the reducer to the new calibration gas bottle. Use the adjustable spanner to ensure that the reducer is securely in place. You can check if the reducer is correctly attached by opening the bottle and spraying it with some water. If no bubbles appear, it means that the bottle is correctly attached. To calibrate the machine again, you have to go back to the machine's display. When you are in the main menu, you will see a tab, Measuring System, at the bottom left, and click on it. Scroll down the page, and you will see an icon with a hand on it, at the bottom left. Click on the icon to go further, and make sure the mode is put on calibration gas 2. Click on OK, and the machine will start running again. This flow meter is indicating that the flow is too low at the moment. You can adjust the flow by turning the screw to the left, to make sure the bubble levels the number 1. Now you have to go back again, to the tab, Measuring System. Scroll down the page till you see the icon with a hand on it. Click on the icon and make sure the mode has been set on, Calibration Gas 1, and press on OK. The pump will now start running again. You can adjust the position of the air bubble with the mechanism on the reducer and make sure the bubble levels the number 1. By twisting the mechanism you can make the bubble go up and down till it has the right position. At last you have to go back to the tab, Measuring System. Scroll down the page. Only this time you have to click on the icon with the scale on it. Make sure the mode is put on, Measuring Cabinet, and click on OK. After this calibration, the system will reset the alarm by itself, and will correct the values automatically. The alarm has now been solved. If the alarm stayed red in my fruit, please contact the service from Van Amerongen to solve the problem. Van Amerongen, innovators, technicians, and producers in CA technology.